We are now going to do a comparison of two alarm clocks, the Sonic Boom SB1000 and the Sonic Boom SBT425. Sometimes people don't get too excited about alarm clocks, but we all have to wake up in the morning, and if we can get through the night without stressing about getting up on time, we start off our day in a positive way. Both of these alarm clocks have some features in common. They both have an adjustable volume control and an adjustable tone control. They both have 9-volt battery backup. They can utilize the bed shaking feature, which we'll talk about in a little bit. And they both have the beloved snooze buttons to use. So I'm going to start with this clock. Here is the volume control, the tone control, the large display. The buttons for setting the time and the alarm are very easy to use. They're easy to see, black letters on a white background. They're very comfortable, soft touch. On the side of the alarm clock, you will have the options for setting your wake-up options, as well as a pulse or a steady beat to the shaker. So on this clock, the reason that has endeared itself to me over the years is that it does have an outlet on the back. And what I do to demonstrate it is I buy a cheap little device like this, plug in a light bulb right in the back. So this yellow button here actually controls this light, and it could be used as a bedside lamp, or I can choose to wake up to it by having the light flash. The wonderful thing about this particular alarm clock to use in comparison demos is that it has a test button, so you don't have to go through the alarm process in order to demonstrate how this will sound. The test button is located on the bottom, and for people who may not be familiar with the bed shaking feature, this goes between the mattress and the box spring, and when the alarm goes off, this shakes. So I'm ready to show you what that will sound like. I'm going to use the pulsing. I'm going to use both the light and the vibration, and I'm going to use both volume and tone. So here it comes. Now, I can't adjust the tone for either high or low tones because some people have high frequency loss, some people have a low frequency loss. Let's try it again. Okay, so that's how that works. Now, on the 425 model, you have the adjustable volume control and the adjustable tone control. You have the snooze option here. You also can choose to be woken up by either vibration or sound. That is up to you. It does have lights that flash, but they are in a straight line across here. The control buttons are on the bottom for setting the time and the alarm, and they aren't quite as easy to see. We have black letters on a gray background, so some people with vision loss may find that a little bit challenging. And the controls themselves are located very close together, so might present a problem for people with manual dexterity issues. So you want to consider your audience to whom you're demonstrating to make sure that those things are pointed out and they end up with the product that serves their needs the best. The interesting thing about this particular alarm clock is it has a phone jack on it. So for instance, I know of someone who had hearing loss. She was able to speak on the phone because she found a phone that worked for her, but she couldn't hear the phone ring. So in her case, she had children in college and elderly parents, and she worried about missing an important phone call during the night. So you can't connect this to a telephone, and it will also use the vibration to alert you when the telephone is ringing. That's it for today. Thanks very much.